Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to block someone on Happn. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Happn application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Happn if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the left side of the screen, bottom left, we have the Explorer. We have the hub, we have of course the map where you can check out the map, the likes, and in the bottom right corner we have your chats. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and block someone on Happn. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So to block someone on Happn, you need to go and launch the Happn app on your mobile device. After that, find the profile of the person that of course you want to go and block, and then scroll down to the last section of their profile. I cannot find profiles here because I'm not sharing my location for obvious privacy reasons. Then click report and block, tap on the report and block button. Alternatively, if you're in a conversation with a person, you can tap on the three-dot button and select report and block from there. Blocking someone will prevent them from seeing your profile or sending your messages. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.